Hello, welcome to the Helpful Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the RAM on a Toshiba Satellite L305D to S5974. So first step, what you want to do is you want a 1/16 Phillips head screwdriver. You can get these I got this set at the Dollar Tree. And then you open this cover. This is the little symbol for RAM. Take the cover off. And then what you do is you see these little tabs, you push them both outwards. Then you simply take this RAM stick, sorry for having trouble, and you take it out and you go to the store, you buy a new RAM, you pop it in, making sure that this little hole thingy is aligned with that right there. And then you simply pop it back in like that. And then you take your cover, making sure to try to put it on as flat as you can possible. And you simply screw it on. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell to get notified about every new video.